ChatGPT outage hits. Certain countries. Here's what you need to know. ChatGPT experienced an outage in certain countries today, leaving many users frustrated. But don't worry, I'll also share 3 possible solutions to help you deal with similar issues in the future, so stick around. This outage is a significant challenge for a platform that's AI-based and relied on for various solutions. Businesses faced delays in customer support, students lost access to their study tools, and content creators saw disruptions in their workflows. Such incidents can harm trust in AI technology and raise questions about its reliability for critical tasks. Thankfully, the issue wasn't global. If you were affected, let us know. Where are you from? Did the outage impact you? Drop a comment below. Now, as promised, here are 3 simple solutions to fix similar problems. Use a VPN to bypass regional server issues. Clear your browser cache and cookies to resolve temporary glitches. Check for updates to ensure you're using the latest version of ChatGPT. While the service has been restored in most areas, this serves as a reminder of how essential stability is in the AI industry. Let us know your experience in the comments, and stay tuned for more updates.